In this video you will learn how to use the Excel camera for a transfer from Excel to PowerPoint. In the first step we go to the front here with the Customize Quick Access toolbar and select More Commands. Then here in Quick Access toolbar choose commands. We will select all commands, then mark any sign here. So now it works, and then we press the key C and go down to camera. It's here, we mark it and we say button add and OK. And now we have the camera here, and now we mark these cells here from our chart. Click on the camera. We open a new PowerPoint file, delete the title and the subtitle, and we go here to the arrow from paste and select paste special. Then we say paste link, Microsoft Excel worksheet, and we say OK. Here's our chart. We place it in the middle, say right mouse key, and we say update link, close it, and then we will save the PowerPoint file, just for example here, as Excel camera or another name, and say save. Say yes. So then we close PowerPoint, and let's take a last look here to the deviations from January and February, -7 and -13. Close it and we press the key escape. Now we will change the values from January and February. Here's 35 and 40. Go back to chart development, and now we have here positive deviations. Save the file, and now we go back to our Excel camera and our PowerPoint file. Double click. And then PowerPoint asks us for update links, yes. And you see we have positive deviations here. That's the trick with the Excel camera.